So hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today's class we have to discuss about DIF FFT algorithm. Okay, so DIF is nothing but designation in frequency algorithm. So in our previous class we have to discuss about DIT FFT algorithm. This class we have to see about DIF FFT problematic part. Okay. So before going to study the problematic part, we know the general structure of DIF FFT. Okay, so this is the diagram of general structure of DIF FFT problem. So this contain A one input and B is one input. This one is a external input. Okay, this is nothing but W n power k. It's also called as Twiddle factor. Okay, so we are using these three inputs to calculate the outputs. So for the calculation of top word we use just A plus B formula. A means here one input and B is other input. Then downward means we are using A minus B into that Twiddle factor value. Okay, for corresponding Twiddle factor value for our problem. So this is the basic structural diagram. Now we go for our problem. So our problem is given x of n is equal to half into half, 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 4 times 0. Using DIF FFT algorithm, find x of k using DIF FFT algorithm. Okay, so listen here, DIF FFT algorithm. So for solution, x of n, this is our given order, right? So x of n is half into 4 times 0. Okay, this is our given input order. So for calculating the butterflies, the step number 1 is to find n and m value. Okay, so how to calculate n and m value means first to calculate n. Okay, so n means just count your input values. Here this is your input, right? So the input is first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So your input contain 8 values. So n is nothing but the 8 terms. Okay, so just count the input value and write it is capital N. Then calculate what is capital M. Okay, so capital M means write the value of n in the power of 2. Okay, so write 8 as a power of 2 means 2 power 3. So here listen, the power value is 3. Okay, so this power value 3 is called our m value. Okay, so this problem m value is 3. So this is our step number 1. So step number 1 is nothing but to find n and m value. Okay, so the n value is the input of terms in a input and m means power of n values in the term of 2. Okay, then step number 2. So step number 2 is for our DIT problem. The step number 2 is to find the order, right? So DIT problem we are using one order that is called bit reversal order, but in DIF problem we write the given order. Okay, so for our given order is x of n equal to 0.5. That means 1 by 2 is converted to 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 comma 0.5 comma 0.5 comma 0.5 comma 0 0 0 0, 4 times 0. Okay, this is our given input order. Okay, so I write the given order. This is step number 2. Okay, then step number 3. So for calculating step number 3 we use one formula in DIT. The same formula we are using in DIF also. The formula is S is equal to log n divided by log 2. Here we know what is the value of n. So substitute here log 8 divided by log 2. So divide log 8 divided by log 2 using calculator, we get the answer is 3. Okay, this is step number 3. Then step number 4, find the number of butterflies in each stages. We are using one formula by it's equal to n by 2. So here also n value is 8 divided by 2 means we are getting 4. Okay, so find the number of butterflies in the sense already we are found the stages is 3. Okay, for each and every stages we are getting 4 butterflies. That is the meaning of this step. Okay, then find the input and the output values. Okay, so for DIT we are using one formula for calculating input and output. That formula is 2 power L minus 1. For calculating DIF problem, the formula is changed, 2 power S minus L. Okay, so for stage number 1 we are considering L equal to 1. So 2 power, our S value of stages becomes 3, right? So 3 minus L is 1. So 2 power 2. So 2 power 2 is 4, right? So we are using 4 input and we are getting 4 outputs. Okay, that is the meaning of this. Then stage number 2 means we are put L equal to 2. So 2 power 2 minus 1. So 2 power 1 equal to 2. So here also we are using input as 2 and we are getting output as 2. Then L equal to 3. 2 power 3 minus 3. So here one mistake. 2 power S is equal to 3, no. So 2 power 3 minus L equal to 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1, right? Okay. Then here 2 power 3 minus 3 means 2 power 0. That answer is 1. So input is equal to 1 and we are getting the output is equal to 1. So here input and output, in the sense, input is nothing but these are external inputs. Okay, so already in the DIT problem we have discussed the external inputs, that is called W8 power 0, W8 power 1, W8 power 2 and W8 power 3. These are the 4 external inputs. So we already know the values of this. W8 power 0 means 1, W8 power 1 means 0.707 minus J 0.707, W8 power 2 means minus J, W8 power 3 means minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. Okay, these are the 4 external inputs. We are using it as a input of step number 5. Okay, then we go for step number 6. So this is our step number 6. Step number 6 as a final step. So the step number 6 is draw a butterfly. Okay, so this is the general diagram of DIF normal butterfly. Okay, so we are for this problem the stages is 3, right? So here this is stage number 1, this is stage number 2 and this one is stage number 3. So when compared to DIF, in DIF the stage number 3 of DIF is stage number 1 in DIT, right? So when compared to DIT and DIF, the reverse process of DIT is called DIF. Okay, so stage number 1, here listen, stage number 1 we have to put 4 external inputs, right? So W8 power 0 and W8 power 1, W8 power 2 and W8 power 3. These 4 of the external input we have to use. And stage number 2, here we use 2 inputs, external inputs, W8 power 0 and W8 power 2. Then for stage number 3, here we use W8 power 0 as one of the input for all these calculations. Okay, then for the right side we write the orders. Okay, so already we know the orders, right? So x of 0 means our given order is 0.5. Just to write our given values. Okay, so 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, then 0, 4 times 0. Okay, so these are the base of this diagram. Then to calculate the outputs. Okay, so first I am calculating this point. Okay, so I consider this point. So this point is a connection between this line and this line, right? So this point is a connection between this line and this line. Okay, so my one input is 0.5 and my other input is 0. Then for this line my total factor value is W8 power 0. Okay, so for calculating for top word answer, my formula is A plus B. So here for this point my A value is 0.5, my B value is this line point is 0. So I am getting 0.5 as my answer. Okay, so then this point. So this point is a connection between this line and this line. Okay, so one of my input is 0.5 other my input is 0. So here also for top word calculation formula is A plus B. So answer is 0.5. Okay, then another one point, this point, third point, this point is a connection between this line, that means A is 0.5, and this point, that means B is 0. So my answer is 0.5 plus 0 equal to 0.5. For this point, here also this point is a connection between this line and this line. So one point is 0.5, another point is 0. So 0.5 plus 0 equal to 0.5. Okay, so here listen, the top word calculations are completed. Then downward calculation. Okay, so downward calculation, the formula is changed. Formula is A minus B into our Twiddle factor value. Okay, so for this point, one of my input is 0.5 and another one input is 0. Our Twiddle factor value is W8 power 0. So we know the value of W8 power 0. W8 power 0 is nothing but 1. So I substitute all the value. Here A is equal to 0.5, B is equal to 0, and our Twiddle factor value of W8 power 0 is 1. So my answer is 0.5. Okay, then this point is a connection between this line and this line. Okay, so one of my input is 0.5 minus other input is 0. Then my Twiddle factor, for this point my Twiddle factor is, here listen, W8 power 1, right? So the value of W8 power 1 is 0.707 minus J 0.707, right? Then multiply 0.5 by these values, we get 0.3535 minus J 0.3535. Okay, so like away calculate all these values, the answers become here minus 0.5, then this point minus 0.3535 minus J 0.3535. So here listen, we are completing stage 1 outputs. So for stage number 2, the stage number 1 outputs are converted to the input of stage number 2. Okay, so for the first line, the output of stage number 1 is 0.5, right? So this is a input of stage number 2. Okay, so for calculating stage number 2, so I am calculating this point. Okay, so this point contain the input is, here this point means here the output is 0.5, right? So A value is 0.5. Then another connection of this point is this. Okay, so this line contain the output 0.5. So plus 0.5. The answer is 1. Okay, similarly to calculate all these values using the output of stage number 1. Okay. So I write only the answers here 1, 0, 0. One thing, for top word the formula is A plus B, and downward the formula is A minus B into that Twiddle factor value. Okay. Then here also 0.5 minus 5 J 0.707 minus 0.5 plus 0.5J, here also minus 0.707J. Okay, so we are completing stage number 2 answers. Then move for stage number 3. Here also the same procedure. The output of stage number 2 is given as the input of stage number 3. So here the Twiddle factor value is the same value, W8 power 0. The value of W8 power 0 is 1. Okay. So for this point, this is a connection between this line and this line. So this line contain my input is 1 and this line contain my input is 1. So just add 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Similarly, write the below values also. We get 0.5 minus 1.27 J, 0.5 plus 0.207 Okay, so now we calculate stage number 3 outputs also. So this output as a final answer of your butterfly diagram. Okay, so stage number 3 we get 2 0 0 0 and these are our outputs. Okay, then finally write our final output as in the order of bit reversal. Okay, so in DIT problem where our input is in the form of bit reversal order and our outputs are in the format of normal order, right? But in DIF problem our inputs are in the format of normal order but our output are in the format of bit reversal order. Okay, so bit reversal order means this one is x of 0 and this one is x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. Okay, this is our order, normal order. From this order we have to write the bit reversal order. Okay, so we know the order. The bit reversal orders are 0. So 0 means corresponding output is 2, right? So 2 comma 0, then next value is 4 for our bit reversal order 0 4 6 5 2 so 0 4 is this value 0.5 minus 1.7j. I write the bit reversal order here. We already know the bit reversal order 0.207 comma 0.5 plus j 0.207 comma 0 comma 0.5 plus j 1.207. Okay, this is the final answer for DIF A50 problem. Okay, so one thing, for calculation of DIT problem, stage number 1 calculation is very easy when compared to DIF. For DIF, the calculation of stage number 1 is difficult, complex. Then stage number 2 is easy and stage number 3 is stage number 3 is very easy. Okay, so this is our final answer of DIF. Thank you so much.